Hi guys, today I want to show you how to remove mouse and keyboard latency in Miro board. If you have problem fixing your Miro board, mouse or keyboard when you're editing or creating your projects, this is the right video for you. So first click on this menu, Main Menu, Preferences, go to Mouse or Trackpad and just select Mouse. This is the best option if you want to fix your mouse during your project creation. Trackpad is a suitable option, but this will prevent mouse from detecting automatically and switching to the project you're creating. So the best option here is to choose mouse. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.